Like this thing has been crazy, and my grandmother passed away, and I would love to attend her funeral, but because of COVID-19, it's like it's challenging, you know. Like I was thinking, her birthday just passed, and I was on FaceTime with her, and it's like she was looking at the phone, but she wasn't really connecting, and I was thinking to myself that I really need to get home to go see grandma, because it looked like her time here is about to expire. I'm trying not to get emotional because she wasn't connecting with the camera, and it was just so hard to look. And I'm like, she haven't met my kids, her great grandkids, and I would love to go down. Like, and this year was supposed to be the year of us traveling and just doing things with the family, but of course nothing goes as planned when God has a bigger plan. Hey y'all. All right, so it's beach day today, so I'm about to get ready so that we can head to the beach.
Oh, wow!
I can't even see.
Yeah. It's on.
Yeah. I'm wait till we get by the beach.
Keep getting the beach, Daddy.
All right, y'all. We are here at the beach. It's so hot. And the wind is crazy. Oh goodness, my battery's dying. Be right back. Oh my gosh. This is so complicated for no reason. Gosh. Whoa. Okay. I think that's good. Wait. There we go. It's a very bad angle. No! Alright, y'all. So, like I was saying before, we're at the beach. And first, before we get into that, there's so much I wanted to get into before I actually started this vlog. I wanted to talk about yesterday. Yesterday was my graduation, and my friends, they came and they surprised me, and it was freaking amazing. Like, oh my gosh, it was so unexpected. Like, I wasn't even planning on really doing anything. Like, I had a photo shoot plan, but at the very last minute I was like, I'm not even gonna bother, because, and the reason why I keep looking off is because I'm like watching the kids in the water. I was gonna bother because, like, my school, they mailed out a package with a cap and like tassels and things that I wanted to use for the photo shoot, but I didn't receive it, so I was kind of discouraged. And then, like, the virtual ceremony that they had, it was just like, it was pre-recorded. I felt like the amount of money that we paid to attend the school, it could have been done so much more better. Like, I attended one that was done for my goddaughter, and I love the way they did it. And I'm not discrediting the school. I mean, it's COVID-19. We're going through this period where things are just like not normal, and we're just trying to find ways to make things feel as normal as possible. And I get that they're just doing what they can to help us celebrate the milestone in our accomplishments. And I really hope you guys can hear me, because it's really loud out here, and there's a lot of people out here. I was not expecting to see this many people here at the beach today. I thought it would be like a cool, calm day. We're at stage 3, I believe, as far as the opening of the state. Yeah, I believe we're at stage 3, so there's a lot of people out here now today, as you guys can see. Oh God, I'm really trying to hold this camera in this arm. umbrella. Yeah, so I wanted to thank my friends for what they did for me yesterday. It was freaking amazing. And like stuff like this I hold very, very close to my heart, because like I'm not used to this. I'm always the one that's always doing, and it was never reciprocated by the people who I will go out all the way out for. So at one point in my life it became very discouraging. I'm just like, you know what, fuck people. But I'm starting to understand that. Smack myself down. I'm starting to understand that the people you may do for may not be the ones who will return the blessings to you. Like, God work in mysterious ways. Keep doing good and good will follow you. That's just plain and simple. That's just how I see it. These kids are so far in the water. It's scaring me. And I'm waiting for my friend to pull up on me with her kids. I feel like I'm in this weird element where everything's falling apart, but everything is also falling together. It's like, it's crazy, it's insane. I'm loving the process, and I'm trying to be as positive as possible, because when things are falling apart, it's just so easy for us to be like negative and go into depression and just be like grouchy about everything. But I'm trying to be really positive about everything that's happening. My grandmother, she just passed away. My sister-in-law, she just passed away. My aunt, like I have a few aunts that just passed away. Like, this thing has been crazy. And my grandmother passed away, and I would love to attend her funeral, but because of COVID-19, it's like, it's challenging, you know. Like, I was thinking, her birthday just passed, and I was on FaceTime with her, and it's like she was looking at the phone, but she wasn't really connecting. And I was thinking to myself, like, damn, I really need to get her to go see grandma, because it looked like her time here is about to expire. I'm trying not to get emotional. Because she wasn't connecting with the camera, and it was just so hard to look. And I'm like, she haven't met my kids, her great grandkids, and I would love to go down. Like, and this year was supposed to be the year of us traveling and just doing things with the family, but of course nothing goes as planned when God has a bigger plan. And it just goes back to where I was saying, like, it feels like everything's falling up. I believe that God has a divine life for me that I should be living, and maybe this isn't it. Like, I feel like there's greater out there, and doors are gonna open, opportunities are coming my way, and I'm excited. I can't wait. I just got finished with school last December, and that was huge for me, because I didn't think it was possible, but I did it. Like, when I signed up for school, I was like so nervous, guys. Like, you guys don't even know how nervous I was. I didn't think I was gonna complete it, because I did try once I got out of high school, and for some reason I couldn't complete. Like, I couldn't focus while I was there, so I dropped out. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna finish up later on in life, and I did. So I'm super excited about that. So many things I wanted to talk about, but I'm gonna wait till my friend get here, so maybe we could talk about some things, and you know, just have a fun day at the beach. And of course I'm going to show you guys some clips from yesterday. I really didn't, my sister was vlogging, my little sister was trying to capture the moment for me, so I'll include some of those clips so you guys can see. What's wrong with you? What happened to your foot?
Huh?
What happened to your foot? And yeah, guys, she just jacked her whole hair up. Like, I took my time, did her hair just for her to jack it up. I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys can see here, and this is what she looks like now. Oh my gosh, insane.
I cut my foot, John.
You good? Is it bleeding?
Flashback.